Myself, Suman Kumar Naik, and I am from class 10. We are presenting a project called Solar Wind Hybrid Model. In today's world, the old traditional fuel sources like coal and petroleum are depleting and are also causing pollution, which is resulting global warming. While renewable energy sources like solar and wind are eco-friendly but are not reliable if they are used alone. So to tackle this problem, we have designed a hybrid model that combines both solar and wind energy to produce electricity that ensures continuous and reliable energy production. So here it is a hybrid model in which instead of using regular plastic or metal plates, we have used lightweight solar panels that are designed in such a way that it acts as wind blades. So when the wind blows, it rotates and it also rotates the generator which generates electricity. The mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. The current that is generated from this is AC current. And at the same time, the sunlight falls on the solar panels which also generates electricity. How does solar panels generate electricity? Solar panels are made of silicon, and when sunlight falls on it, special tiny particles called electrons get charged, and these charged particles move here and there. Their random movement produce electricity. This phenomenon is called photovoltaic effect. This is titanium oxide, which is a special photocatalytic substance that can absorb pollutants from the atmosphere. So how it works? We generate carbon dioxide, nitroxide, bacteria, and soil particles that move here and there. Okay, then so here I have used windmills in which I use the solar panel on the vacant space of the lake. Ensure you are used solar windmills because it can generate more electricity from the traditional way, which take up energy from mechanical to electrical electricity. But from the solar one, we get photo electricity to normal electricity that we can use in our normal homes. Then it point has to be noted that the electricity that is produced from the solar is DC current. It cannot be used in our homes directly. It has to be converted into DC current so that we can use that in our homes. So for that, inverter is present in which the DC current will convert into AC current. Then the AC current will go to the battery house from which can store the electricity or can directly supply it in the whole city.